Hello, Dr. Jessica coming at you live from Farmington, Minnesota. And today we're going to answer the question, how often do chiropractors go to the chiropractor? Now, it's different for everybody, but yes, I, as a chiropractor, do go to the chiropractor. And it's based on stress. So I run a business. I'm leaning over treating people each and every single day. So I personally go to the chiropractor once a week. Now again, that number is going to be different for every single person based on our stress. We have 3 different types of stress: chemical, physical, and emotional stress. We can also call them toxins, traumas, or thoughts. And it's finding that balance between stress and life and work, right? Because your body is going to perceive that stress through the nervous system, and then it's going to show up. So when I don't go to the chiropractor, I get some nagging upper back tightness. I feel that stress kind of add on. I also feel more anxious at times, and I notice that I have a shallow breath. But yes, chiropractors, we do go to the chiropractor, and it's necessary for me and my well-being and just to function day to day and serve to the best of my ability, to live to the best of my ability for you guys. I get asked all the time, so there is your answer. You have it now. I go to the chiropractor. Thanks for joining me this week, and I look forward to speaking to you next week.